this is Madhuri. In this video I am going to discuss method of variation of parameters. Before watching the further video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Now let us discuss the method. Let the given equation. What is the equation here? D square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus qy. So this is equals to r. This is the equation. Now let us discuss the method of variation of parameters step by step. So here, coming to step 1, first find the complementary function yc. Here first we have to find the complementary function yc. As we have already discussed about the complementary functions in my previous videos. So first we have to find the complementary function yc. Now let yc equals to c1u plus c2v. Now what we are taking here, yc equals to c1u plus c2v. Next, coming to step 2 here, assume the particular integral. We have to assume the particular integral here. Yp equals to au plus bv. What is the particular integral? What we are assuming here? Yp equals to au plus bv, where a and b are functions of x. And next, and find u dv by dx minus v du by dx. Next, step 3. Now here we have to find a and b by the following formulas. A equals to minus integral of vr dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx, and b equals to integral of u r dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx, where here r equals to q of x. What is r here? Q of x. Now coming to step 4 here. Now we have to substitute the values of a and b in yp. In particular integral we have to substitute this a and b values. Now in step 5 we have to write the general solution. What is the general solution? Y equals to yc plus yp, as we have already discussed in the previous videos. So this is about the method of variation of parameters. Now let us discuss few sums based on this method. Now let us discuss an example problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus y, which is equals to cosecant x. Now here given d square y by dx square plus y, which is equals to cosecant x. Now we have to write this in the operator form. So d square plus 1 into y, which is equals to 0. So we have to write this in the operator form. Now this equation can be written in the form of auxiliary equation. So therefore auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. So that implies here m square plus 1 equals to 0. That implies m equals to plus or minus I. So what are the roots of the equation here? Imaginary roots. So therefore what will be the complementary function? Therefore yc equals to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Therefore complementary function equals to yc equals to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, because here roots are imaginary. According to step 1 here, yc equals to c1u plus c2u. So here u equals to cos x and v equals to sin x. So then here yp equals to au plus bv according to step 2. So that implies here yp equals to a cos x. What is u here? Cos x plus b. bv means what is b here? Sin x. Now according to step 2 what we have to find? U dv by dx minus v du by dx. So here what is u here? U equals to cos x into d by dx of what is v? Sin x. So that implies here cos x, u means cos x into d by dx of what is v here? Sin x minus what is v? Sin x into d by dx of what is u here? Cos x. That implies here cos x into differentiation of sin x. How much? Cos x minus sin x as it is into differentiation of cos x means minus sin x. So that implies here cos into cos square x minus into minus plus. Here sin into sin square x According to the identity, cos square x plus sin square x, how much here? 1. So here cos square x plus sin square x equals to 1. According to the trigonometric identity. Now, according to step 3, we have to find a and b values. Now, according to step 3, we have to find values of a and b. Now, let us find the value of a first here. First, let us find the value of a by using the following formula. What is the formula here? A equals to minus integral of Vr dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx. So, which is equals to minus integral of, what is v here? What is v? Sin x into, what is r here? Since r equals to, this is r, cosecant x is r here, as we discussed in the method. So what is r here? R equals to cosecant x. So sin x into cosecant x dx by, now what is the value of u dv by dx minus v du by dx? How much? 1. This is the value of u dv by dx minus v du by dx. So which is equals to minus integral of sin x. Cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x into dx. So here both sin x will be cancelled. Now equals to minus integral of, what is remaining here? 1 into dx means dx. So that implies here a equals to minus integral of dx means x. So what is the value of a? Minus x. Now let us find the value of b according to this formula. So integral ur dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx. So that implies b equals to integral of, what is the value of u? Cos x. R means cosecant x into dx by, what is the value of u dv by dx minus v du by dx? 1. So that implies here b equals to integral of cos x, cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x into dx. So that implies here b equals to integral of cos x by, how much here? Cos x into 1, cos x by sin x into dx. So that implies b equals to cos x, integral of cos x by sin x means, cos x by sin x means cot x. So integral of cot x dx. So that implies here b equals to integral of cot x dx. What is the formula for integral of cot x dx? Log of sin x. So what is the value of b here? b equals to log of sin x. Now according to step 4, we have to substitute values of a and b. So yp equals to a cos x plus b sin x. So that implies here yp equals to, what is the value of a here? Minus x cos x plus, what is the value of b? Log of sin x into sin x as it is. So this is the particular integral. Now we have to write the general solution. Therefore general solution is y equals to yc plus yp. So that implies y equals to, what is yc? c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So here plus into minus, minus what is yp? Minus x cos x plus log of sin x into sin x. This is the solution. Now let us solve one more example problem. So what is given here? Solve y double dash plus 2y dash plus y, which is equals to x square into e power minus x. So what is given here? Y double dash plus 2y dash plus y equals to x square into e power minus x. This equation should be written in the operator form. D square plus 2d plus 1 into y equals to 0. Now this equation should be written in the form of auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. So that implies here square plus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. So this can be written as m plus 1 whole square. This can be written as m plus 1 into m plus 1, which is equals to 0. So that implies what are the roots here? M equals to -1 comma -1. These are the roots of the equation. Now, therefore, what is the complementary function? Yc equals to c1 plus c2x into e power minus x. So this is the complementary function. Now u equals to e power minus x comma v equals to x into e power minus x. So what is u here? U equals to e power minus x, v equals to x into e power minus x. Next, yp equals to au plus bv. So that implies here yp equals to, what is u here? E power minus x. A into e power minus x plus bv. What is b here? B into x into e power minus x. Now what we have to find? U dv by dx minus v du by dx. So that implies here, what is u? So what is the value of u here? E power minus x into d by dx of, what is v? What is the value of v? X into e power minus x minus, what is the value of v? X into e power minus x into d by dx of, what is the value of u? E power minus x. So that implies here e power minus x. Since here we are applying uv method, u dash v plus v dash u. So here what is u here? X. Differentiation of x means 1. 1 into, what is v? E power minus x plus v dash. Next, what is v here? E power minus x. Differentiation of e power minus x is e power minus x. We are taking inner derivative. Derivation of minus x. How much here? Minus 1 into u. What is u here? X. Minus x into e power minus x as it is. Differentiation of e power minus x is e power minus x into e power minus x. We have to do inner derivative. Inner derivation. Inner derivation of minus x into minus 1. So that implies here e power minus x into e power minus x. 1 into e power minus x. E power minus x. Plus into minus. Minus x into e power minus x. Here minus into minus, how much? Plus. X into e power minus x into e power minus x. So that implies here, now we have to multiply this. E power minus x into e power minus x. When the bases are equal, we have to add the powers. So e power minus x minus 2x minus x into, next, when the bases are equal, we have to add the powers. E power x into e power minus x minus 2x plus x into, when the bases are equal again, we have to add the powers. So x into e power minus 2x. Now here minus x into e power minus 2x plus x into e power minus 2x. Both are cancelled. So what is remaining here? So that implies here u dv by dx minus v du by dx equals to how much? What is the value here? E power minus 2x. Now we have to find the values of a and b. So a equals to, by using this formula, so a equals to minus integral of vr dx by u dv by dx minus v du by dx. So that implies here a equals to minus integral of, what is v here? Since v equals to x into e power minus x. So v equals to x into e power minus x into, what is the value of r here? X square into e power minus x into dx by, what is the value of u dv by dx minus v du by dx. So what we got the value here? How much? E power minus 2x. So that implies here a equals to minus integral of, when the bases are same, to add the powers. So here x into x square means how much we will get here? X cube into e power minus 2x by into dx by e power minus 2x as it is. So here both e power minus 2x will be cancelled. So that implies here a equals to minus integral of what is remaining here? X cube dx. So a equals to integral of x cube. How much? X power 4 by 4. So what is the value of a here? A equals to minus x power 4 by 4. Now let us find the value of b by using this formula. So b equals to integral of ur dx by u dv by dx minus u du by dx. So that implies here b equals to integral of here u equals to e power minus x. What is the value of u? E power minus x. What is the value of r here? X square into e power minus x into dx by what is the value of u dv by dx minus v du by dx? How much here? E power minus 2x. So that implies b equals to integral of, when the bases are equal we have to add the power. So how much we will get here? E power minus 2x. X square into e power minus 2x dx by e power minus 2x. So both e power minus 2x will be cancelled. So that implies b equals to integral of x square dx. So that implies b equals to integral of x square dx means x cube by 3. So what is the value of b? B equals to x cube by 3. Now we have to substitute a and b values in yp. So here yp equals to, what is the value of a here? Minus x power 4 by 4 into e power minus x plus what is the value of b? X cube by 3 into x into e power minus x as it is. So which is equals to minus x power 4 by 4 into e power minus x plus x cube into x plus x power 4 by 3 into e power minus x. Now which is equals to minus x power 4 by 4. Now we have to take here e power minus x common. Minus x power 4 by 4 plus x power 4 by 3 into e power minus x. So that implies here yp equals to, so here we are taking LCM. So how much we will get? X power 4 by 12 into e power minus x as it is. So yp equals to x power 4 by 12 into e power minus x. So therefore general solution is y equals to yc plus yp. So that implies here y equals to, what is yc? C1 plus C2x into e power minus x plus what is yp? X power 4 by 12 into e power minus x. This is the solution. With this we have completed method of variation of parameters.